Hey guys, welcome back to ST Artist. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a little turtle container. So you can hold little things in here, and if you want a really big one, you can make a really big one to hold big things, but I'm just going to be making a mini one. So let's get started. And before we get started, don't forget to smash that like button and hit the subscribe and see if you can beat my countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Were you able to do it? I hope you were. Now, what we're going to do first is we're going to go and we're going to get a circle. Simple, but easy. So next, you're going to go and you're just going to pinch your finger into it. Now this is a little different than what we did before. If you saw my other tutorial for making a bowl, you can always just use this instead of making a bowl, but I suggest you check out that tutorial there too, because that was really fun. And now that you have a bowl, once you pushed it in, you're gonna go and you're going to flip it upside down. Okay, that's really, you're just gonna flip it upside down. Then you're gonna get a little bit of clay for the head. Twist, push, twist, push, make it up more of a cylinder. And then get like that, and then like that, until you get a head shape that you like. And then you're just gonna push it on one of the sides, like that. And then you're really gonna do the same exact thing, except you're gonna roll it done. Roll it done. You don't want it to be in the shape of a head, because these are going to be the arms and legs. Roll it done. Roll it done. Okay, so I'm gonna put a hand here, an arm here, a leg here, and another leg here. So guys, that's really it. So like, this was really easy. And then once it dries, you can go here and you can keep it like this, and then you can put stuff in it. Okay, so I'm gonna put some things in here. I'm gonna put some of my charms in that. See, you can put it like that, and then we'll get the kiwi slice out. This is, you can do it, and like, you can have a row of turtles just to put your things in. Okay, make sure that you remember which one is the head. I remember it by it being the biggest one right here. Okay, so if you have air dry clay and you're waiting for it to dry, make sure that you don't put anything in it. Don't put anything in it until it's dry, because then it will dry into it. And that won't be fun, because then you won't be able to have those, because it will have clay all over it, even when you take it out. So just so you know that, like that. And then you can always add water to smooth it out, because water smooths things out. Some clay smooths clay out some of the times. Some of the times it doesn't smooth out all the clay, but the nice thing about this is when you put water in it, it can hold it. The bowl can hold its own water to help it. Really, it's nice. Okay, don't add too much though, because then you're gonna get a gloopy mess. Yeah. Okay. I'm just gonna add that to some of the clay. guys, do not forget to like and subscribe. Every like and subscribe makes me so happy. Okay, so I also put up a poll. Please vote for what I will show you what to draw. Okay, and yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial and it helped you sculpt, and you could also make this really anything. It doesn't have to be a turtle. I just think turtles would be good to go with it. Gonna add some glitter, a bit of glitter because I like glitter. Who doesn't like glitter? Some people don't like glitter. I get that. If you don't like glitter, it's fine. You don't have to add glitter. I just really like glitter. Okay. So this is what I made. A little pot to hold stuff. Uh-oh, it's breaking. Guys, oh, I don't know what to do. Oh, there we go. You can always make the sides bigger and larger if you want it to hold better. So I'm gonna flip it upside down like that and pet it. So I really hope you all enjoyed this tutorial, and okay, I said this like a million times, but please like the subscribe button, and subscribe. It's completely free. So I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Bye.